We have a 25 a Ford Transit 25 for the battery replacement. Is located in the front driver's seat over here. So there's a bunch of like brackets and stuff. So you need to take the driver's seat portion out. That's located on the rail of the driver's seat frame. So there's 4 bolts here. There's 4 of the 10mm bolts. So they go here. They're easily accessible. 2 in the front, and then you need to bring the seat forward to access the two rear bolts over here and here. And then I remove the T40 Torx here, but I don't think you need to on this one. There's a T40 Torx, and then there will be 2 8mm bolts, one here and one here, for the bracket that's covering this. There's no need to remove the plastic trim clips. You can lift up on the cloth piece on the fabric, and to remove those two 8mm bolts. There's a 2 8mm bolts that goes here. So you take that off, and then you have the cover piece. You have the cover that goes on top. You just take it out, and you lift up on the 2 tabs, and this piece should come out. Then you have access to the battery, and replacing the battery is straightforward on this. So once you replace the battery, you just put everything back, and then you'll have to do the BMS reset on the scan tool afterwards. So once the battery is out, just reinstall the new one. There is an actual hold down, or just a piece that easily that comes out and comes off and goes back in. This is like the bracket that holds it in place. Make sure to install the vent tube back. So install the vent tube, reinstall the hold down hardware. Something like this. Once the new battery is installed, and just reinstall the cover. So once everything is in, just turn the seat down and reinstall the 4 bolts. So the seat is in. Just make sure that you line up the dowel pins on the seat before you install the 10 millimeter bolts. So make sure that you have the 2 bolts in the front and the 2 bolts in the rear, and then that's it. And then you need to do the BMS reset.